Are you ready? We're going to go swing, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! We're gonna swing! Yay! Alright, so I'm outside with my son right now.
I want fast.
Oh, you want fast? You want to go fast. You want. And I was just going to do a quick video to show you how you can do AAC outside. So I, right here, just have a magnet from Shutterfly, actually. My friend Maggie Judson from Basque AAC's site came up with this. You can easily JPEG snip the vocabularies from the emulators that you can download for free. So you would go to satillo.com. Oh, you want to stop then? You want to stop and get off? We're going to get off the swing? All right, go ahead. Okay, so anyway, you can go to satillo.com for like this one, download their device simulator for free. Go to Basque AAC's YouTube channel, and Maggie and I have a video where we show you how to download their software for free. And then you can just snip an image, or you can download one of their free low-tech manual communication boards and snip that image as well. Make a Shutterfly magnet from it, and then it's super durable and everything, so I brought it outside. I will take it in with me. I'm not going to leave it out here the whole time. And I just used masking tape on the back to tape it to our swing set. But then this is a super easy way to naturally provide aided language input in an activity that most of our children love, swinging, or any kind of just being outside and playing. And so words that you can use, as you saw with us earlier in the video, you know, we can use go to start up the swing, and then I've taught him fast and slow, things like that. When we stop the swing, or sometimes you can stop it on purpose to get them to say go, or that they want more of it. So you can do those kind of words that we're going to get on the swing, we're going to get off the swing. And what you do when you're providing the aided language input is, as you saw earlier whenever I did it in the video, is I'm just going to point to it as I say it. I did not require him to say it. I don't make him repeat it or anything like that. I'm just teaching him the language by pointing and showing it. You also saw that I did not do every word that I said at the same time, because that's just going to slow it down. It's going to frustrate you. It's going to frustrate him. You're going to lose the moment. So definitely don't do that. Just kind of provide aided language input on the one main word that you are in your sentence to communicate the meaning of it. You know, with slides, you know, we have to go up the stairs. We're going to go down the slide right now. There's all kinds of words. We're going to play outside. So again, you're just pointing and saying it at the same time, not requiring them to do it, and you'll make it a fun, enjoyable activity, but also language rich for them as well, because you're teaching them the language at the same time. All right, thanks for watching. This was AAC Outside in the Playground. You can watch more AAC at home videos on my channel, and if you would like to see more ideas, please leave me a comment and subscribe. Thanks again.